What's up, guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Right now, I have a Mavla Meiya um 1-4 bunny. I'll show you the box. Okay, that should be the box. And then this was I got it on, I believe, what's that website? Meiya, as a proxy for Mercari Japan, and the tape already cut already. This is also pre-owned, I believe, but I think it's in nicer condition. It should be. So let's get this thing out. I hate these boxes. Pain in the ass to get out. Yep, the plastic is a little dented, that's why. Okay, let's put the rocks outside. So this is taped together. But here's the figure in the plastic. I did inspect it for a bit, but not too much. Okay. The instruction paper, very similar base to this kata. This one's a little dirtier, I can tell. You can see the smudge if you look close enough. Let's put this down. This kata. Ooh, this one is a little harder to assemble. Looks like there's a couple pieces. And this one does have paint chip. Unfortunate. Oh, this one's a little dirty. This is what you don't buy from pre-owned unless you want to take the risk. Because you win some, you lose some. You win some, you lose some. I know she was available with the other one for pretty cheap price on Omni pre-owned for a couple months. I just did not pull the trigger. And this is fading. You can tell it is fading. But right here and right here is the paint. But is this a chip or a? It's not. Is it fading or chip? I think it might be can't tell. Whatever. I think if I want to fix this, I probably have to get some paint myself, and they did not clean it carefully enough. I can tell. When I was inspecting it, I was seeing a little dust. Not very happy. Okay. Other than that, I don't see any rips in the fishnet, so that's fine. Let me see. There's also slight chipping here, if you can see. Chipping. I can't tell if it's chipping or. Actually, I think it's chipping. What I think is he scratched it against some surface. Probably got a wall or a side of like a container or something. But that's probably why you see this. It's only on the right or left side. Let's get her on the. Wait. Is there another? There should be. Let's see if it's in the accessory. This is the. Whatever. Hold up. I believe there should be another. Pieces. Blah blah blah. No. Wow, really? So it looks like they only have one of these. And some of them they have two. This is separate. See, that's how it's designed, I guess. Weird. This is gonna bother me. Depends on where I'm displaying it from. Can't tell if this is paint. What's that word? Not paint transfer, but paint bleed. Okay, let me get on the right leg. Holy cow. Hopefully it's gonna be easier than what the other funny figures have been. I need this whole table. Let me get the ears up so I can put this plastic container down. Okay. That's her hair, I presume. Don't want to break her peg, but it looks like it's stuck in. Oh, yep. Looks like it's. We just need to push down. I really hate this process. Yeah, as long as it's somewhat in, should be fine. Let's get the these, which is for temporary. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me get. Oh, don't want to break it. The thing is with Meiya and Mercari Japan is you can't really refund because fucking Meiya is a little ass to deal with. Customer service is not very good, to say the least. The hair. Let's get the I'm sure this is supposed to be together anyways. Whatever, that doesn't make too much of a difference. This is supposed to be straight up. I believe. Straight up, I believe. Whatever. Oh, so put in between. That's not gonna happen. Yeah. Not be holding in between at all. Unless we do this, but I have a feeling it's not gonna hold in place because whatever. Good enough. Hope it doesn't like to do this. Such a pain in the ass. I don't understand freeing. I'll be honest. Freeing their designs, not the most thought out. Okay. Where is your hairpiece? These companies. pain in the ass to deal with. Not even the company, these sellers. Like, I would buy Omni Premium, but they're kind of an ass to deal with. Customer service is dog crap. And Solaris, there's a couple other like J figure, but their shipping is a little too high. Let's see. The problems with buying from proxies is you don't get any customer service and no returns. So basically, you get what you pay for, and they don't really list out the damages. This is why we probably have to fix it on our own with some paint, but we'll see. You need to get the right color. Okay, looks like her hair comes in A, F, A, E, F, G. Okay, looks like this is the right order. Okay. No, not much moving parts. I want to display it from the side, but I'm scared that the glass is gonna tip over. So this is Meiya from Muff Love. I know a little bit about the story, but I have not finished it. It's like a trilogy, and I'd say the first 2 games are kind of slow and not action filled until you get to alternative. Other than that, very nice figure. I might get the matching one. I saw it at a local store, but the price was not the best, so I decided not to get it that day. But if I can see her for a good price, like on Omni or somewhere, I will most likely consider getting it so we can get it matching. Okay. Very awesome video. Or awesome figure. Thanks for watching.